Hey, so if you're facing a credit limit problem in Leonardo AI, yeah, like you can't generate images, it says no credits left or your usage is restricted. That can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, go to your dashboard and check your current credit balance. I mean, if it's zero, generation won't work at all. Next, yeah, some plans refresh credits daily or monthly. I mean, you may just need to wait for the reset. Now, if you keep running out of credits, upgrading your plan can give you more generation capacity. Yeah, some models use fewer credits per image. I mean, switching models can help you save credits. Now, lower resolution or fewer image variations use fewer credits. I mean, this helps stretch your usage. Yeah, sometimes credits don't update properly due to session issues. Logging out and back in can fix it. Now, if you're on a free trial, credits are limited. I mean, once used, they don't always refresh immediately. Yeah, billing issues or server sync problems can sometimes affect credit display. If nothing works, contact Leonardo AI support. I mean, sometimes credits fail to sync and only support can fix it. So yeah, that's how you fix Leonardo AI credit limit problems. Most of the time, it's plan limits, usage, or sync issues. Try these steps and you'll be back to generating images again. Thanks for watching.